All right, guys, let's get into the quarters. Here we go. The ones that we need are the 2002 and 2001, because we have this one complete. So here we go. So I still need the silver set for the 2000, and I need this one right here, which we do have. So 2001 silver set. So we're going to take those out and get these added in. So let me pull these out. There we go. Get my gloves back on. We can get those added in. The first one we're going to add in is New York, right here. Look at that beautiful coin, guys. Beautiful, beautiful coin. I'm going to zoom out a little more. That way you guys can see a little better there. So we're going to put in New York. And that is the silver. Get that seated in there good. Next, we're going to North Carolina. Look at that one, beautiful. And then we're going to go to Rhode Island. You guys haven't seen that one up close, just stunning. Got it. Then we're going to go to Vermont. There's the Vermont one. And then last, Kentucky. There we go. All right. So that page is now complete. And I'm getting this is going to be completely uncirculated and plus all proofs. That is what is kind of neat with it. The only thing that I've realized is there are the S business strike. I wish it would have had those in here also. So next we're going to add a 2002 Philadelphia right here for Tennessee. That one there. Oh, Tennessee. Where's Tennessee at? I think I put one in, but this one is going to be uncirculated for sure. Probably just one that I've recently found in my quarter hunts. It's pretty nice condition. This one is awesome. There we go. And then still need to get the Louisiana, and then I need to get the silvers for those. The next one we're going to go to is 2009 and up. Go. And I still need all the silvers for most of these anyway. So, but we got the 2009s that we're going to be adding in. There we are. So I needed the 2009 Philadelphia right there, uncirculated. That's one we're going to add in. Excellent. And then we're going to add the other 2009 for the Virgin Islands, Philadelphia uncirculated. And we have those done. Next, we're going to go to page 2010s which will be on the next album. So let me grab that real quick and we'll get that done. Next, guys, we got this right here. This is 2016 through 21. We're gonna get those added in, and we're gonna go to 2000. Did I grab the wrong album? I sure did. We'll come back to this one. It's this one. So we're gonna be adding the 2010s in right here. All right, so we have a 2010 mount hood that we're gonna be adding in P&D. So these down here. That one was the Denver and the Philly. And next we have the Yellowstone that we'll be adding in right up here. There we go. We have those now added into this one. Now we're going to go to the 2011s, which we have the P&Ds for these also. So let's start with Gettysburg and Gettysburg. There we go. So here we go. Gettysburg, Philly. Gettysburg, Denver, definitely does not want to come out of the flip. There we go. That's why, because it's still in the plastic. That's why it didn't want to come out. All right, so let me grab a pair of scissors here. So we have to trim that to get the glue off. This will actually open up. There we go. I was wondering why this seemed like a really thick flip. There we go. So now we have the Denver. Okay. Next, let's see. We have Glacier. And I'm going to take a look at the ones that are here because these are definitely uncirculated. That one's uncirculated. That one I think I will replace. Okay, so there's the Denver. Or is that the Philly? Glacier and Denver. I actually just opened the wrong one, but that's okay. Upgraded. Next, we're going to the Washingtons. Let's see. I think I accidentally bought several of the same. A mistake. Okay, so we'll set those off to the side and I'll come back to those. Let's see. So now we have 2011 Vicksburg right here. And this is the Philly. Drop this one out because this was a circulated one. And we're going to put in Vicksburg uncirculated Denver. go. Next, let's see. We have the Olympic right here. Olympic Philly. Washington. I think I grabbed two of the same, thinking that I was getting the 11D for that one. So that'll be another one that I'll need to get. But other than that, I think we're good on all of those. Okay, so we have that. So now let's get to, I believe, the next album. Which is the one we thought we were starting with. Here we go. And I do have a few for this one. Let's see. The Tuskegee Airman Clad Proof. We'll add into this one. There we go. And I don't have the card for that, which I do need, is the Washington crossing the Delaware. And so I'll need to find a spot and add it, or I need to get this converted over. So all the rest of these are my W's for those same years that I've gotten this album here. And so that will complete that for the moment. All right, guys, so we have one last coin that we're going to be adding into this.